In this session, you'll learn proper lab techniques when heating substances. Make sure to wear the safety equipment, safety goggles or face shield, heat-resistant gloves, and lab apron. When handling hot items, use heat-resistant pads or tongs. Using heat while conducting a lab is often necessary. The most effective method is gas heat. There are a variety of available burners, some connecting directly to a gas line, others with a propane tank. Any one of these will provide the heat necessary to conduct our labs. Open the valve to release the gas and start the flame with a spark or match. Adjust the flame by opening or closing the valve. Always use Pyrex or comparable tempered glassware, otherwise the glassware may shatter. When heating glassware, use wire gauze with a ceramic center to prevent the heat from coming in direct contact with the glass, as direct heat could cause the glass to shatter. Always use a test tube holder when heating a substance in a test tube. Point the test tube away from you and anyone around you. Never look directly into the test tube while heating a substance. Start from the top and move to the bottom, moving constantly. If you heat only the bottom, pressure can build, which may cause the bottom of your test tube to blow out. If high temperatures are needed, heat the substance in an evaporating dish or a crucible, as they can withstand higher temperatures than glass. Place it on a pipe stem triangle for heating. Glass tubing is a necessary tool for conducting labs, but may be dangerous if used improperly. Tubing edges should be smooth. If they aren't, you can fire polish the tubing to round any jagged edges. Wear heavy gloves to protect your hands. Some experiments require glass tubing inserted in a rubber stopper. Wear leather gloves since the tubing can break easily. If leather gloves are not available, use rubber gloves and wrap the tubing in a paper towel before attempting to insert it into a stopper. Apply a lubricant before inserting the tubing. Grasp the tubing as near to the stopper as possible and use a twisting motion to insert it. Make sure the tubing is removed as soon as the experiment is completed so it doesn't stick to the stopper. To separate a solvent and a solute that are in solution, we frequently evaporate the solvent. A small amount can be poured into a watch glass and then placed on top of a beaker with boiling water, which will provide a gentle heat source for evaporation. Follow the procedures for proper use of a Bunsen burner. If a large amount of liquid must be evaporated, use an evaporating dish or a crucible. Place it on the pipe stem triangle and put a watch glass on top to avoid splashing. Keep the flame low to avoid overheating. Mastering these techniques for using heat will enable you to conduct lab experiments safely.